this damn drone, I would be content with this damn exhaust. But honestly, I might change it up. I have to throw some resonators back on this or something. But this is definitely not an exhaust that you want if you want to tiptoeing for all you creepers, cheaters, whatever it is, man. This ain't for you. You can't creep around to your baby mama house. You can't keep creeping around to your mistress house. You can't sneak out 3 o'clock in the morning thinking you finna go somewhere. Definitely can't do that. Might as well leave exhaust stock. You can't hear shit before exhaust from the factory. Like, this is extreme compared to the doggone, even the active exhaust, bro. Like, man, I think I'd be content with active exhaust. I wish I would have got that option on this car, honestly. But, that's a lot louder than, I don't know, whatever the highest mode is on the active exhaust. Man, multiply that shit times 10. So if you looking at doggone Roush axle deck, you think about going catless with an X pipe, shit, think again. This shit loud, bro. I'm trying to tell you, loud as hell. Man, it's rewarding sometimes, though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, it sound real good with the ghost cam, for real. Like I said, other than the drum, man, it don't sound bad. It's just loud. Like, I don't know if y'all can hear that. We at the light. Loud. Stupid loud. But yeah, man, if y'all can think of another exhaust setup, man, I would love to hear it. I would love to hear it. You know, drop I don't know if you can leave links in the comments, but drop your setup in the comments, man. I'll be curious to hear. Be curious. My girlfriend probably finna get mad at me. We want to get an oil change right now on a little Camaro. Ooh, yeah, it's cold on this Christmas Eve, I tell you that. But yeah, man, she going to get a little oil change. Shit, she left probably about 10 minutes ahead of me trying to get this damn GoPro situated. Shit, I just got this thing yesterday. Shit. So the whole reason for me getting this damn GoPro anyways, I need more content on my channel. Then I got a lot of comments, a lot of hate from the 10 speeds, man. I've been whooping up on 10 speeds, for real. So all you fanboys gonna get in the comment talking about 10 speeds is superior, this and that. Look, I don't drag race. Alright, all I do is, you know, all I do is little 5-0 right here. Alright, I see you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I then nope. But I don't drag race. Like I said, all I do is road race. That being said, man, a road race, that's anybody's race. It really depends on who getting the jump. Similar to drag racing, man. If you trend somebody, you're gonna beat some folks in a car that you shouldn't be beating them on unless you just got a big horsepower car. But if y'all pretty much got the same mods, stop, man. If you trim at the drag strip, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna win that race. So it's the same thing with road racing. Hell, if you get the jump on that third horn, man, get the jump, you good. You gonna win that race. These 6-speed manuals put out more power to the ground than a goddamn E10 speed automatic. I know 0 torque loss inside of the 10 speed. That's what keeps y'all, you know, that's what got y'all ego real big, because y'all ain't losing no damn speed between shifts, which is cool. I mean, that's cool. I can't hate on that, man. Technology is advanced. It's doggone steadily advancing every day. Manuals are a thing of the past, man. They're ancient. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you hear that? Yes, sir. You like that chomp, don't you? Yes, sir. I know you do. Wish I could turn this camera around, but I can't. This dude in this F250 checking out the Mustang. You like the little ghost cam? It ain't real, brother. It ain't real. But yeah, man. Manuals a thing of the past, man. Honestly, I like driving them, man. It's more fun. It keeps you more engaged. I'm a little bit more in control. You know, if you can drive, period, it don't matter what you got. Whether you got a manual, automatic, it don't matter. But like I said, I've been getting a lot of hate from the 10-speed guys, man. So I raced my buddy. He got a 10-speed headers, JLT intake. I don't know who he's tuned by, but he on 93 tune. But he also got the E85 tune. So when I ran him, I was obviously on E85. We got the same mods. I got cat deletes. I don't have headers, but I do got the JLT intake, and I'm tuned by Lund. Got the E85R tune. So when I ran him, you know, I did what I had to do. You know, I handled my business. But man, my girl called me. Hold on, let me take this. Hello?
Don't even worry about it, bro.
What? What'd you say?
I'm talking about when I got here, he was like, oh, I tried to call you earlier. We booked up for today. I only got one tech. And I was like, okay, the guy who talked to me yesterday didn't know y'all was going to have one tech today.
Oh, man, I'm at the light. Man, just, come on, man. Look. Let's just go to the dealership. I'm going to take you to the dealership. It don't matter which one you go to. I'm going to just take you to the dealership. They got little, they got coupons and stuff.
Where are you at?
I'm at the light on Chanel. So
What you say?
I said I'm at the light on Chanel, but I'll just take you to the dealership, man. I won't let them get over on you. All we need is an oil change. I don't know why you don't like going to the dealership.
So you're taking it to the dealership?
No, you gonna follow me to the dealership.
Well, where are you at? Because I really don't have time for all this today. Like,
You got time to get your stuff done, man, dude. You want to get your oil change or not?
Where are you at? I don't care where you at.
Hey, man, look, stop yelling at me. I'm at the light.
Where are you at?
I just told you where I was at. You wasn't listening. I'm at the light on Chanel. I'm getting ready to come down. You should be hearing me any second now. Yep. Damn. Fix that. God dog. What? Well, Arkansas got some jacked up streets. Streets is terrible, man. Yeah, man. She don't believe in going to the dealership, man, which is crazy. Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted. Yeah, man. Yeah, we basically got the same mods or whatever. Like I said, my boy, he got full bolt on 93. I don't know who he's tuned on. He also got a E85 tune. When I caught him on the freeway, you know, like I said, I handled my business. I did what I had to do. So, you know, I left his ass. Nothing too big, no major gap, you know. Be mindful, I am on E85, but to me, honestly, I think that's a fair race. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. E85 is gonna make a big difference, but honestly, with the amount of hype that 10-speed automatic is getting, bro, we both full bolt on. I think it's a pretty fair race at that point, because I do have a 6-speed, and it ain't like he was stopped. You know what I mean? Ain't like you was stopped and all that good jazz. He doggone is full bolt on just like me. On a tune. He ain't no stock calibration. So I mean, let me know what y'all think, man. Is that a fair race? Full bolt on, mod for mod, different fuel, 10-speed versus 6-speed. I gotta drive to keep up with this 10-speed or whatever I gotta do, whatever you would call it. Should have been a lot closer than what it was. I'm not gonna post it though, man, because at the end of the day, that's my boy. I try to stay, you know, I try to stay positive within the Mustang community or whatever. I try to stay positive. You know, I don't really want to post too many videos of me whooping up on my colleagues, man. Honestly, we gotta stay together, bro. We get Mustangs get all the hate anyways. So I say that ass whooping and that embarrassment for the Dodge guys, but guys, it wasn't close. It wasn't close at all. Let me know what y'all think in the comments though, man. Shit. stuff in store for this for the channel. So as you guys know, I did have the 5.7 Challenger RT at first, man. It looked real nice, looked real good, sounded good. Sounds a lot better than this 5R, I tell you that. I do miss that old push rod sound, man. But yeah, man, had to let the Challenger go, bro. Went to the dealership, really trying to get some work done. Ford told me they was gonna pay the Challenger off. I ain't gonna tell you how much I owed on it, but I was upside down. They paid that thing off completely. I ain't owe no money on it. They paid it off. So I went into this car, you know, fresh, gave them a couple bands down, you know, did what I did.